Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reorganizing all my fidgets. It's just going to hand. So first let's just empty out all the drawers. Here are all of my fidgets, and now these are all the things I'm going to be organizing them in. I'm going to put like fun poppets in here. Like shaped ones, not just like circles and squares. Here they are. Now let's make them better. Much better. Let's put stress balls in here. Let's put Orbeez in the corner. I decided to start with the front, so here they are. Now let's put Neatos. Now random stress balls back here. And there we go, we're all done. Now let's do pop tubes. They're the big pop tubes. Now let's put the mini pop tubes. Guys, I literally forgot so many pop tubes. I don't think these are gonna fit, so I'm just gonna jump them. And they're also the tiny ones. Now let's do mini poppets and dimples.